Hi, in this video I will show you on how to send serial emails from an Excel list with a Word template as where you have your text and all that stuff. So that's here for on my download site or website where I have this XLSM file and text for the Excel. So you may download it by clicking on there, and what you will find there is you have to copy both files into one folder, the same folder, and then you have the Word file. I show you this in afterwards. And now we have the email, the Word file where we place all the text, including all pictures and signings and emails and links, and so all that stuff in there. And then we have an Excel list where we have an email to column, we have a subject cell, and the email from cell. So if you have different email addresses. And then we will push the send button, and then we have the emails which come out as a preview or preview and send. So what I've already downloaded that stuff, and yeah, okay, let's do it again. So we're downloading the first file, we're downloading the second file, then we open the folder. We take those two files. I have to take the previous ones. Okay, then we go to a folder, and this we create here on our desktop a folder. In the desktop we drop both files in there. Then we have the text file. In the text file we may say everything, and we have a placeholder like this. Square bracket and the add, and then you may take anything what you will find in a column, in the column header in an Excel file. So it's a personalized email. We have dear Mr. something, okay, and with a member number or something like this, or city. And then you may drop for example a screenshot like this, make a screenshot, anything, you know. And when you copy this screenshot in there, for example here, then this will be automatically attached in there. So this is a great thing. When I save this now and close it, now when I start my serial email Excel file, then we have here anything what we type in the subject file, subject of the email. We have the square bracket, name, number, something like this, and then we have the email too. So this is, in my case, it's Raymond pop at codedoku.de. It's a German version, and I will copy it to the same one at codedoku.de, and there's no other one. And now we say send, and you see there's you may take here an attachment or different attachments and different emails. And now the system opened in the background because I closed it. Now I have here this as a preview, and you see we included also the screenshot, and we have also here the if we have different addresses. Now this is the sender address, which because sometimes you have different versions. So I close this, or I send it manually, and you may select here send or preview, so this stuff will be there. So and now you may download it, use it, and be happy if you want. I made a small I created a full version for that point. there's a small attachment, not an attachment, a small text or at the end on the free version. So this should be also okay. Use it or take it or use it, you know.